So after clearing off your pack station, you want to lay out your paper, get it out flat, have your tape handy, have your prepped box, and a marker nearby. When prepping your box for packing, you'll find that the top has connected flaps. What you'll want to do first is fold those down and then open the box up. This allows the top of the box to stay open and flush so you don't overpack. You'll take to the bottom, fold in the smaller sides, then the longer sides before taping.
3 strips of tape, one on the first flap, one on the second flap, and one straight down the middle.
Start with your paper. Loosely crumple it up and put it in the bottom of the box. Make sure you cover the entire bottom. Medium box such as this will take roughly 4 sheets. Next, you'll grab your item. In this case, we have a couple of lampshades. We're going to go ahead and place that in the box. Then we'll take our paper and start stuffing around the item. Once the item is fully surrounded by paper and secured in the box, we'll just need to seal it up. Grab the flaps that were sealed before and just pull straight up. It releases and we can close it and tape it the same way we tape the bottom with 3 strips. Lastly, we'll get the box labeled. On at least 2 sides, and we're done.